Nice. Nice.
And as a feeder, it feels different when you're feeding for him than it does for me, I'm sure.
He's trying not
Both
to go
sides.
too hard.
Yeah.
Go harder.
It goes. Okay. Both sides feed on each other, and that's what I'm saying all the time. Well, what if people ask, what if this, what if that? It all depends on the other guy. For you to do the lop, if you throw the backhand, the lop is totally dependent on me blocking it through.
Right.
If I just stop it,
Yeah.
you can't.
Nothing to lop.
You can't do it.
Yeah.
Or if I stop it and pull it open, you can't do it. So all the things that you're being taught are dependent on the energy you're experiencing. Nice.